You ever had one of them chainsaws that just don't want to run? Don't matter what you do, you can take it, sit here and pull on it for days, and nothing. Well, I got a simple couple-step process for you. Here's how it is. First thing you do, take your trusty axe, safety first, and you hit it a couple times. That should do the trick. Now what you're going to do, you're going to give it a little bit of fuel, and you're going to give it a little bit of oil. It's got lots of fire in this thing. All right, now you're going to step back. I'll show you what to do next. Go ahead and put that fire out a little bit. It should not be too bad off right now. Don't forget to grab your starter. Put that sumbitch back on. You ready?